What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to our channel here at Vagabond Builds. And today we're going to be bringing you a video with a product that we got sent from this company called Gtechniq, and this is a detailing company. So we are going to be showing you guys in this video how to clean and wash and ceramic apply a F350 Ford Super Duty. This thing is American big, everybody. Goodness, you just gotta love the Americans because they just got it with the trucks, okay? But in front of the truck, down here, now bring that camera over. This is the company that we had got sent the product from, okay? Gtechniq Smart Surface Science. And then again, these are the microfiber towels. You always want clean towels for this job. Now, I did say we're gonna wash the truck and all that good stuff, but we already prepped the truck. For example, we washed it and then we clay barred it and all that and decontaminated the surface. So we just wanna kind of go through the products of what we got sent and what we're gonna be using and show you guys how to do a quick application of a ceramic coat from Gtechniq. Now, the bottles themselves, we got sent a few things. Now this is their new style product itself. You might see the older bottle. This is a newer bottle look. And we got 6 bottles. We have the G-Wash. This is gonna be kind of like a soap for you to throw in your bucket of water or whatnot, or run through your gun. Quick detailer, this is something that you're going to use. Maybe your car is sitting in your garage and it just got some dust, not too dirty. You wanna use this quick detailer as a spray itself. But what you don't wanna do is use this if your car is filthy. Don't use the quick detailer, okay? Also, perfect glass, that's in the title itself. This is what you're gonna be using for your glass, like your windshield and all that stuff. You got iron and fallout remover. This is the stuff that's gonna be prepping your surface if you wanna remove things like brake dust and all that good stuff. Take that off with the iron and fallout remover. Tire dressing, you know what that is. Shine those tires because it just totally changes the look on your whip. And then bug remover, this is something else that you're gonna be using to prep that surface to get all those hard bug off the front, maybe majority of front of your car and probably your side mirrors and all that stuff. Again, more microfiber towels. You always want to have clean microfiber towels, okay? Don't use things over and over again. You cheapskates out there, buy an extra set of microfiber towels. Or save yourself some money at Gtechniq when you're purchasing. Use our coupon code in the description below and you will save yourself some money, and you will also help us out because we don't make money on these videos as much of you guys actually buying some stuff, and we also get commission a little bit off your guys' buy. But let's go ahead and show you guys also the last 2 things. This is what we're doing, and this is the key of this video, is the crystal serum light. This is gonna be your first layout with a pad, and we're gonna be showing you guys that a little bit later in this video. And then you have the Gtechniq, the EXO or the XO V5, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. But we are going to apply these in this video and show you guys a quick application, not too long of a video, just so you guys get an idea to ceramic coat a brand new F350 Ford. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so now the setup is here for the Gtechniq, and we have everything kind of just laid out. Now, we already, as mentioned, prepped the panels themselves with all this bug remover and the iron and fallout remover and all that good stuff, decontaminated the surface. We didn't want to put that in this video to make the video too long because that means you guys wouldn't be watching it, right? But let's go ahead and just show you guys a quick application. I'm going to give you guys some tips of how to apply on the pad and kind of explain how to put that ceramic coat onto the panel of the car on this F350 Lariat. Some tips to start off with. Now, I'm just gonna show you guys prior to actually putting the product on the microfiber pad is you wanna start first with a panel. Maybe you're scared to apply or you haven't done it before until you actually really get good. You wanna start maybe with a panel that once you put on the panel, or if you don't do it actually perfect, I'm talking like 100% perfect, that you won't be able to tell, maybe like the back tailgate or, you know, the lower side area of the quarter panel where people don't typically look at your car as much. But honestly, the application of the coating itself with the ceramic coating is pretty much easy. And if you've been watching our videos or other people's videos, literally it is easy, okay? If you guys also want to see the finishing product, you guys can shoot over to Pause Coffee House in Fair Oaks, California, or Rockland, California. They have 2 locations. Good coffee. Shoot over, and this guy's name's Darty, and you can literally ask him to see the finishing product, and I'm sure it's gonna look great. Let's go ahead and show you guys. So, with the pad itself, prior to putting the crystal serum light first, okay, the white box, we're gonna put that first. You're going to use that kind of water droplet or little nozzle here. You're gonna use this to apply this product onto your pad. And you're gonna do about 3 pulls out of the bottle itself and then kind of just prime the pad. And once you have primed the pad already, you're not going to have to put a lot of product after that. It's pretty much just kind of for the pad to soak that product in. And then once it's completely soaked, you're just gonna lightly apply light product continuing forward on the ceramic coating of the truck. Another tip also is once you're going to start applying the ceramic coating material, you want to actually do maybe like a cross hatch pattern, right? You're gonna go across and you wanna make sure that it's a level application, okay? Make sure that you're getting a very clean application, that you're not missing any spots, because the issue is that if you do this application and you do miss certain spots, you'll literally see like different levels of the product, and you might have to go in and buff after that, and you don't want to touch buffing and things of that sort. So literally apply in kind of patterns up and down, right? You want to maybe do it in rows, okay? And then you want to kind of go across, and then you wait about, I don't know, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, actually, sorry, about 60 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes, to where the product starts to get into the panel itself. And then you go ahead and you're gonna take one microfiber towel from Gtechniq. Check that out, they actually kind of have that like engraved in their towels. And you're gonna wipe that product down, okay, for the first one. And then you're gonna take a cleaner towel. Remember, I tell you, work with clean towels. You're gonna take a second towel itself, and then you're gonna wipe any excess residue or leftover product to make sure you get that clean surface look, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. Now you can use the gloves themselves. I'm not gonna put them on, but literally you can. It is chemicals and you don't wanna work with chemicals and things of that sort. But again, I'm not gonna put those on. Just wanted to let you guys know that those are in it and they come in the box. Let's go ahead and put that down. So I'm going to prep this pad. Okay, so pad is prepped, all right. Now, remember, when you're doing a panel also as well, here's another tip, is that maybe you wanna start with 1/3 of each panel, okay, a 33% of each panel, then you move on to another 1/3 and then another 1/3, okay? So don't do a full panel all in itself, just kind of work your way across the panel. All right, now I'm gonna use my right hand because I'm a righty. Let's go ahead and use that. And this is how you're literally going to apply, okay? So we're gonna start up top. You're gonna get that nice, clear application, that cross-hatch pattern. Okay, so application is on, and you're going to start seeing that the material is flashing on the panel itself. If you can see, it's kind of hard to see it on the white color itself, but you want to immediately grab the towel and go ahead and wipe off the product, okay? And make sure you get a clean wipe. And remember that second towel. Use that second towel clean to get any leftover residual product. Now done with the second towel, and that is how you apply the ceramic coating from Gtechniq on that light crystal serum. But remember, after applying the light crystal serum and you are done with the full truck, in which we are going to continue in this video, you're going to come in about 2 hours, give and take, to apply the EXO or the EXO V5 to kind of the water drain, the waterproofing the surface itself, okay? So remember, about 2 hours after, you're gonna come and apply that second step as well. So let's go ahead and continue this truck and finish off with showing you guys how to apply the Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light. All right, everybody, now we're pretty much done with dropping that first light serum coat, sorry. And we are literally gonna wait about 2 hours for the product to cure itself. Go grab some lunch or do something, run some errands, do whatever you want. But just wait about 2 hours, and then we're gonna come and drop, like I mentioned, the hydrophobic Exo V5 layer from Gtechniq Smart Surface Science. And don't forget to save yourself some money using our coupon code in the description below. Again, it helps us out, also helps yourself out. For every purchase, we appreciate you guys do. You guys throw us some commission on the sale. All right, guys, keep watching. We have more product review coming, more car reviews, and more car builds here at Vagabond Builds. Thank you, and God bless you.